Chris Bernal, bumili ng dream car niyang nagkakahalagang 1.4 million pesos. Ang brand new car na ito, na pinakabago ding labas na model, ang very proud at eksklusibong ipinakita ng Kapuso star sa Showbiz Central kamakailan.
Dream ko kasi sabi ko, every time magkakashow ako na bago, sabi ko, bibili na ako ng bagong sasakyan, bibili na ako ng bagong sasakyan. Pero dumaan na yung mga shows ko, nag-Glass Prince na ako, nag-Koreana na ako, Machete. Wala pa rin, di pa rin ako bumibili. So finally, parang napaisip ko, pwede na siguro.
Nahirapan man sa issue ng budget si Chris habang pinaghahandaan ito.
Kasi hindi naman kasi biro maglabas ng pera, di ba? I mean, ang daming demands ng pagiging artista, ang dami ring gastos, pero ito talaga, pinag-isipan talaga namin.
Nang dumating na ang tamang pagkakataon, pinagbigyan niya ang sarili kapalit ng pinagpaguran niya sa showbiz ng ilan ring taon.
Parang kailangan ko ng mas malaki dahil ang daming gamit ng babae eh. Actually, ang plano ko pang bilhin since, sabi ko, mag-second hand na lang kaya ako. Pero hindi eh, parang gusto ko regaluhan yung sarili ko ng, alam mo yun, yung bago talaga na talagang sayo talaga. Yung may tulugan.
Kung ang pamilya ni Chris ang nakasama niyang magdesisyon sa pagpili ng sasakyan, hindi naman nailihim ng aktres na pagkabili nito ilang linggo lang nakaraan.
Nung nag-test drive ako, kasama ko si Jay. Kasi umuwi ako ng bahay nun, hinatid niya ako. So, nakita ko yung sasakyan, tinest drive ko.
Kasabay ng revelasyong ito, ang paglilinaw ni Chris sa maling interpretasyon di umano ng mga tao tungkol sa iniintrigang ugnayan nila ng singer na si Jay Perillo.
Ang tanong kasi sa akin, ilang taon na kayo magkakilala? So sabi ko, 1 year. Eh ang lumabas ata, akala nila, ang sabi ko, 1 year na kami together as boyfriend and girlfriend. So hindi, kaya namin nagtatanong sa akin ngayon kasi, so in reality, 1 year na kami magkakilala, pero hindi pa talaga kami. Nanliligaw pa lang talaga siya. So, getting to know. Pero yun nga, sabi ko, ine-entertain ko eh. Kaya nakikita mo, magkasama kami, gano'n.
Sa katunayan, bilang pagtatapos, may pinahabol pa itong mensahe sa kanyang masugid na manliligaw tungkol sa pagpapaganda ng kanyang bagong sasakyan.
Gusto ko bihisan ng Hello Kitty. Tapos niloloko ko to si Jay. Sabi ko sa kanya, bilhan niya ako ng Hello Kitty. Sabi ko, bihisan mo yung sasakyan ko, lagyan mo ng Hello Kitty.
Showbiz Central would like to thank the following: Lasadia, Art Circle Gallery, Illuminati Technique, Space and Style. You can call them at 352-6372, ACR Furniture. Samantalang, I'd like to thank Arnold Galang for my outfit today. And check out my new billboards for House of Obagi. It's worth it because it works. And be part of Earth Day Jam 2011. Sa May 6 na po ito, it's a 6-hour musical marathon featuring more than 15 OPM artists. For details, you can log on to www.dimitriproductions.com. Samantala, ano naman kaya ang feeling ng magpa-pictorial kasamang photographer at judge ng America's Next Top Model? Na-tense kaya si Carla Abellana? Kasama rin daw sa pictorial sina Heart Evangelista at si Isabel Daza. Ang exclusive report, narito po.
Showbiz Central, nandito ako ngayon sa Quezon Ballroom ng Makati, Shangri-La para ihatid sa inyo ang behind-the-scenes pictorial ni Carla Abellana at ang kanyang photographer, ang sikat na judge ng America's Next Top Model na si Nigel Barker. Ang nasabing pictorial ay para sa special issue at exhibit ng isang magazine featuring 13 of the most beautiful and most glamorous women in the country, kung saan kabilang ay iba pang showbiz personalities na sina Heart Evangelista, Isabel Daza, Georgina Wilson at Pops Fernandez. Pangalawang pagkakataon nito na maging bahagi ng proyekto ang fashion photographer na sumikat bilang judge sa reality show ni supermodel Tyra Banks.
Our first collaboration was with Ana Baile. That was 4 years ago. And then he came to Manila and we shot 12 women, which was, your sister was there.
Yeah.
When I knew he was coming, I said, no, we have to do it again because everybody loved it.
Matapos ang pictorial ni Carla na binihisan pa ng Pinoy fashion icon na si Mr. Ino Soto, nakausap ko sila ng international fashion photographer.
What's the look? What's the vision for today?
A series of mirrors in the shoot, just having a quiet moment, looking through at themselves, occasionally at the camera, but it's to say, who am I, what am I, and what do I have to offer the world? And when you look at upon the mirror or the camera in that fashion, you know, all of a sudden it's very alluring.
Carla, how does it feel? Because I know this is your first shoot, not only with the Tatler, but also with Nigel.
Love to work with him, so you know, to be chosen is, my gosh, a dream come true, of course.
So we're having a love fest. We're having a love fest on our set.
Opportunity. So I give thanks, of course, to Nigel and to Tatler.
I know you're a fan of Nigel and the show. How did you prepare?
We were able to prepare well with the gown, with the hair and makeup, of course. So I had a good team today. So we were all very excited to work. So I think that's what brought the positive energy out of it.
Now, how is it working with the local talent here?
Incredible. I mean, you've got amazing talent. It's no surprise to the Filipinos. But and for me, having been here once before, it's no surprise to me that, in fact, it's really very easy. I come to set, they're in a good mood, they have their game face on, they want to do it, you know, it's a real pleasure.
Well, the modeling industry in the Philippines is booming. Like the Danica Magpantay just recently won in New York. Do you think Asians have a place in global fashion?
Oh, I mean, of course. I think without a doubt. I mean, it's designers like Michael Cinco, who we just had on America's Next Top Model. I know he's based in Dubai, but he's a Filipino and he's enormously talented. You have that kind of talent in a country like this, you've got to get him out there, let the world know, because that isn't about being Filipino, that's just about being talented. And that's what we have lots of here.
Thank you so much, Nigel. Thank you so much, Carla, and good luck with the shoot.
Thank you.
We'll stick around and we'll be videoing you while you shoot. So good luck and thank you again, Nigel.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Tutukan, Ogiel Casid, detalyadong nagkwento tungkol sa pagbubuntis ng Asia Songbird. Sino nga ba kina Lovie at Fufa May ang apple of the eye ni Fabio? Ang sexy mestiza o ang sultry morena? Magkakaalaman na live! Susunod na, R&B Princess Kyla. Lilinawin ang intrigang ikinasal na raw siya. At Cesar Montano, may revelasyon tungkol sa pagpasok ng kanyang anak sa showbiz.